Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of the Aqua Planet. I hope that everything is fine, and I also hope that your fishes are also doing very well. So guys, in this video I am gonna tell you that how to attach that Java mouse to the stone, and I am gonna introduce this Java mouse into my planted aquarium. As you can see, we have got the stone, Java mouse and the thread. So I am gonna attach the Java mouse with the help of this thread. So guys, stay tuned with me and let's start the video.